my name is Pooja, and today's session was very informative. Since we learned about credit cards and the usage of credit cards, the proper usage, and also the disadvantages that come along. Also, it was very informative since our school doesn't tell us more about credit cards and the usage and advantages and disadvantages to be associated with the bank. So it was quite an informative session, and I would like to thank Dubai Islamic Bank for giving us a chance to be educated on this topic.
I'm Shahir.
And I'm Brian.
And we are here to present our gratitude to Dubai Islamic Bank for sponsoring this program.
Thank you, Dubai Islamic Bank.
We are grateful for the lessons that were taught to us regarding the topics of debt management, budgeting, and the importance of an emergency fund. Thank you, Ms. Grace, and the lovely team that were here to present this show.
Hello, it's me, Eliza. Today we had a seminar on credit, the good and the bad, and it was really informative as we're not taught about this topic in school. I would like to thank KFI Global for delivering today's seminar. Thank you.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Mohammed Adnan. We learned a lot of amazing information like credit cards, the rate of interest, and a lot of more things. So thank you, Ms. Grace. Thank you, KFI Global.
Good morning, my name is Muhammad Maaz. Thank you KFI Global for giving us amazing seminar. We learned lots of crucial components about banking, credit cards and all. Thank you.